What's up, guys? Alpha Tech here. Today we are gonna be doing something OP that is gonna blow your mind. So let's gonna check it out, guys. So guys, I actually was just normally scrolling on internet. So suddenly I saw a Twitter message from Ice Universe. So he tells that there's a wallpaper that can really destroy phones, or it can actually corrupt phone file. So I actually wanted to try. So let's just check it out. So guys, I researched a bit and I know that a lot of people have recommended not to use these wallpaper because this wallpaper really corrupt, but we are tech youtubers and we have to experiment, so let's go. So guys, I've already downloaded the wallpaper, so I'm just going to show you guys. If you can see the wallpaper, this is the wallpaper. You can see this is the wallpaper that is known to kill phones. I seriously don't know what is there in this wallpaper, so let's just think about it. I have actually not put the original wallpaper. I really didn't download from Twitter. It's actually taken in some Saints Lake Motan or something. I seriously don't know. But I have already put the screenshot actually. So let me actually just try to put the original wallpaper. So guys, now I'm going to tell you the brief explanation. What does this wallpaper do and why is it so deadly? Hello everyone. So let's see the photo. The original photo is posted by someone else, and somebody first time commented. His name is Ice Universe, so he's the first one to comment that this photo can crash any phone. He replied on Twitter. So many big YouTubers, you can see this photo can destroy any phone. That's a go. Many people like Arun Malhani, MKBHD have commented on this. So this is actually true, this photo. So if I open this photo and show you, this is the original photo, guys. You can see there's actually nothing, but the original truth is that this phone can be easily corrupted by this photo. So let's see what is the secret behind it. So guys, I'm going to show you the in-depth photo. First I'm going to just show you the photo, but this only works with phones, so don't try it with PCs. It won't do anything because PCs have like the different vibrant and RGB description. So you can see this is the photo. Basically it's very pixelated because this is not the original photo, and I definitely don't want to try the original photo. So let's see the secret behind it. It's taken in the St. Mary Lake in Monachaka. So the truth behind is that it's taken behind a Nikon camera, and you can see the RGB vibrance of that photo. So you can literally see the graduate photo. The RGB has literally gone up to 520 level up. So actually this means the rate of RGB, more red is there, less vibrant yellow is there, and if you don't know what is RGB, it's red, green, blue. With that combination you can make any type of color. So you can see literally the RGB rate is very high in this photo, and it's actually very unusual that any phone can produce this much of RGB lighting because it's taken in a DSLR camera. So actually it's more easy to find out that this is a scam to people, and actually it's not a mealware or a way to corrupt people's photo. But actually if you see, according to the science, it's actually true that this photo can provide a lot of static and natural force. So guys, this is a really big humble request. Please don't download this and put it to your phone. You have seen the result. Many of the people have lost their phones. So I'm genuinely telling you, don't use these wallpapers. At tech YouTubers like us, we do experiments to tell you people what and what you should not do. So I genuinely recommend you to not do this. But if you want to do it on your own risk, you can do it. Okay guys, so I'm actually put the same wallpaper, so I'm gonna on it now. So let me just check. My phone's actually quite normal. It's no effect. So guys, I've actually retried owning it, but it actually didn't work. So seriously don't know how do you on, but actually I have tried this experiment and my phone has lost its life. So please pray for the phone. One like is equals to one pray for the phone. Guys, actually, eventually, all of us, we just download any cool wallpaper from internet and we upload it to our phone, or we keep it as home screen lock, or maybe lock screen lock, anything. But actually, the secret behind many photos that, especially the photo I showed you, the color space can be consumed as a set color using drive by primary color red, green, blue. So color defines the grammite, and the output of the monitor is too much high due to the RGB rate is very short in bit. So eventually the phone can crash anytime, and it can either corrupt the phone, or maybe especially iPhones can eventually die. Guys, thank you for watching Alpha Tech, our sponsor, TP Link and Bolt. Thank you.